So I'm really excited to see what we got in here. I should have scribbled out my address. What up, Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors? It's Griff, back at it again with another late night with Griff. It's currently 2:47 a.m. We have a tech review tonight, and I'm so pumped about it. Before I even continue, if you have no interest in any drones or you don't really care about this unboxing, skip this video. Come back next week when I do upload a regular video. But if you are interested in this, get on with the video. What is going on with this setup? We're in my room, on my bed. There's a little bit of an issue with the framing of my bed, so we had to put it on the floor for right now until I get that fixed. So what's in here? What's in this box? Well, you already know by the title. It's the DJI Mavic Air. You guys would already know that I needed a new drone since the, something I would not like to speak of.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Whatever, it's over with. Can't really do anything about it, but we got a new drone. Really pumped about this one. Before this DJI Mavic Air, I had a Mavic Pro and it actually crashed, but I really did enjoy it. And if you're deciding if you want a Mavic Air versus a Mavic Pro, go check out my review on the Mavic Pro. Before this, I will actually link that video down below. Let's just get right to it. I really couldn't wait to open this. Originally I was gonna shoot this tomorrow. I don't got time for that. Another thing before I do open this, DJI, just a heads up, no, I did not dent this by throwing it on my bed, but the package was dented in several corners, so I really hope when I open this there's nothing wrong with it, because if there is, you will receive a call from me and I will be extremely heated. But I'm just putting that disclaimer in there first before I get started, because God forbid they try to blame this on me. I got the package exactly like this. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's check it out. Money shot, don't need that. Oh, look at the box. I feel like I got an Apple product, but nope, it's DJI. Yes, we do. We have a dent in the side of the box. Yep, there it is. We have a dent in the side of the box. I did get the white version. I was actually gonna get the black one, but I figured if, God forbid, this one falls in the water too, it would be a little easier to see it, hopefully. Just a little heads up. Before I go any further, this is not going to be a footage video. That's going to come after this. I still need to buy the DJI Care for this. I just wanted to make sure I got it and it was good first before I started flying it and registering it and all that good stuff. Now this bad boy retails for about $7.99, not including the DJI Care refresh, which adds another $80. So the grand total is like $888 if you buy it off DJI's website. But I did see on eBay that you can buy a brand new one of these and they have a $50 off coupon, so you can get it for like 700 bucks. I wish I saw that, but we got it straight from the source, so we're looking forward to it. Now let's open this puppy up. When you first open the packaging, what you get is the case. This is the drone inside. You have a little tag right here that's just, I don't know what this is, but this case is actually really sturdy. I like it a lot. I could tell it's really, really nice. Let's open this in a second. What else is in the box? Well, ooh, that's a strong smell. Actually, kind of reminds me of Rainforest Cafe. I love that place. All right, so we got the controller. Controller seems to be in good shape. Interesting. The little joysticks aren't on this yet. And it does not come with the little screen like the Mavic Pro does. Again, that's okay. I really didn't use the screen on the Mavic Pro anyway. It's kind of pointless because all this stuff's on the screen on your iPhone or Android or whatever you fly with, iPad. So now you get two little boxes. This one says the accessories. This is the instructions. But we'll save those for last. Nobody really cares about those. So what you get in the accessories is you get a charger for the Mavic. I actually like that charger a lot better than the Mavic Pro. It's not as bulky. So you also get a charger for, it's a GoPro charger? What is that for? Hold on, give me a second. You get your little joysticks in here with, oh yes, that is a charger. Sweet, I got an extra GoPro charger now. Sick. Then you have in this little bag, if you have different phones and stuff like that. I do have to say, I do enjoy the whole unscrew the joystick stuff, just because when I had the Mavic Pro, it was a really big hassle. Joysticks, they would get in the way of everything. That is the coolest thing. That's like so satisfying. Wow. Wow. Awesome. Basically, the remote control is the same setup as the Mavic Pro. What? And extra. Oh, there's extra joysticks just in case I lose those. That's helpful. I like that. There's a switch on the controller that can flick it into sport mode instantly. It's instant. That's insane. They said screw the screen, put a sport mode switch on there. So it's like a Ferrari. So you can go from Nissan Altima 4-cylinder to Ferrari. Alright, so that's basically the controller. All the accessories, quick rundown. Controller, chargers, extra joysticks, adapters, stuff in that nature, and that's it. We just have the basic combo. Did not get the Fly More combo. Instructions, I don't know if anybody really cares about these, but what you do get in here is you do get some propeller guards. Not gonna use these, but these are good to have down the road just in case I have somebody fly it that I do not trust. We have extra propellers, love it. Thank you for that. And now onto the reading of all the instructions. So let's get started. You thought I was gonna read all those instructions. I can't read. Now, the fun part is we open up the DJI Mavic Air. Wow. That's insane. This thing is so small. Wow. Look at this. My head is larger than this. My freaking cranium, my noggin. So battery is actually on the bottom. All right, let's open her up. Let's fold her out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the cutest part of this is the little legs. That is adorable. So we got a cool little cooling system back here. And another big thing that actually I like a lot about this is there's back sensors on this. There's also front sensors, and on the bottom there's sensors as well, so it helps you land. One thing that the Mavic Pro is missing is sensors on the back. Yes, that's why mine crashed. Guys, this is insane. Look how tiny this is. I'm just gonna say it. It's cute. So, Gryffindors and non-Gryffindors, that is going to actually do it for this unboxing of the DJI Mavic Air, just a regular bundle that you get. I am really pumped about this, and like I said, I promise you I'm going to bring you footage once this thing is insured, and when we have a little bit of nicer weather out, I promise you I'm going to bring you footage. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, just to stay posted with that. I'm going to get that out as soon as possible, hopefully the next sunny day. Have a plan on and we'll actually give it a full in-depth review when it comes to how easy it is to fly it. So guys, until then, if you did find this video helpful at all and you did enjoy this at any point in time, make sure to smash that thumbs up button down below, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button like I said. So guys, I will definitely see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.